What's up, guys? Welcome back. So the bug is running. Got some windows in, and also got some small things together like a new 2-step button, phone mount, new shifter, more glass except for this, and I still need a back window. But I got the carburetor all apart. I was trying to find out my venturi sizes. I'm running a bit too small. These are 26 millimeter venturis, but I want a 28 millimeter venturi. A lot more flow. I don't want to go too big in the 30s, but that's what we're doing right now. After we get the carburetor all together, we're gonna go ahead and go for a ride. So I got the carburetor back together. I did not change any of the venturis. I'm actually gonna have to put an order on that. So it's still running the 26 millimeter. And I also jetted the main jets one size down. So now we're gonna turn this on, let it warm up, and adjust the carburetor. All right, guys, so I'm pretty happy with the carb adjustment. So let's go ahead and take this thing for a ride. So, you ready to go for a ride?
Dad, I'm going to take my seatbelt off when we get...
You can take it off when we get home, okay?
Okay.
We're just going to go for a ride.
Dad,
Good?
yeah.
right, guys, so we made it back from our drive. That was super fun. We hit 7 pounds of boost and at about 3,000 RPM in fourth gear, going 80 miles an hour. So I'm gonna go back up to the jet sizes I had in the carb, and I'm also gonna do the 28 millimeter Venturis, and that's what I'm gonna do on the next video. I'm gonna get a Weber IDF update kit with the new squirters instead of the stock IDF ones. This is a new turbo. I went smaller. It's a 36 AR on the cold side, or sorry, the hot side. And this is the one I had on it previously. And this one has a 48 AR on the hot side. So it's the same size turbo, but with a more smaller exhaust housing. So that's gonna be it, guys. Hope you enjoy the ride. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.